Biafrans don't send a clear message to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that they don't want any political solution that is not to give them Biafra, release Nnamdi Kanu. They are not involved on it. You don't read. As it they be like this now, they say that the Nigerian army don't come outside though, say they don't get one Boko Haram camp. As it be like this now, the one they don't put there don't scatter yata for inside the north too. As that one they happen, they say that the Beninese, the elders for inside Benin don't come outside, can't tell their people say they are from Yorubas, because some of them they thought say they are not Yorubas, that the Yorubas come from them, but I want you to learn from this history that this man is saying to Benin people. So if today na the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. My people, let's jump into this matter where we'll get for our hand today, because we've got a lot of things to talk about. You know, say recent time now, be like say Nigeria government now want play ping pong game. May they use this Justice Binta Nyako, jail mass Nnamdi Kanu. But after that, they go from back, come meet Biafras, come they tell them say, na so, let there be peace. But let me shock you that the people in the streets don't send a very clear message. Go give them, tell them say what they are looking for is a clear restoration of Biafra. They are not interested in any business of doing political solution without Nnamdi Kanu being released, and also give them their own independent state, they want to be on their own as a country. Let me play the video for you to watch before we come back. Continue.
The dead and alive of the Biafrans are just calling. All we are saying, give us Biafra.
All Biafrans all over the world should not accept anything, political solution or reconciliation, that will not be release of Nnamdi Kanu and full restoration of Biafra. The only political reconciliation we will need from Nigeria is to open diplomatic relationship with them. That's all. Anything recycling of Nigeria in the name of restructuring that will make Biafra to still remain in Nigeria is cancelled. No Biafra should accept it.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As that one they happen, they say that the Nigerian army don't come outside. They say that they don't find any boss where the Boko Haram they operate for inside this particular region for northern side of the country, for Borno. I'm going to show you the video for you to watch.
Driver, bend down. Let's go.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. As this one they happen for inside this area, they say that the elders for inside Benin don't explain, give their people where they truly from. Watch the video.
But before I just finish, in order not to take a long time, I want to delve into a little about our ancestors, about what I know a little bit about Ife. I know that he said, your head of media, he said Benin was known as Ile Binu then. But I want to correct you. Benin was not known as Ile Binu. It was Oromiya that gave that name to the Benin. He said these people are too angry. They are too angry. You cannot deal with them. You cannot work with them. He said so. These people, these people, this town, They are too angry. Ile Binu and the white people corrupted it to Benin. Yes, so I just wanted to correct that. And himself, he married to a Benin woman. They made war when he came. They made war against him, and the war was led by Chief Ogiamie. But in the end, the Benin nobles and everybody supported Oromia, and they defeated Chief Ogiamie. And Oromia married a Benin lady, and the Benin lady gave birth to a son. I won't call his name here. A son, and that son was deaf and was dumb when he was born. He could not speak. He could not say anything. But he used to like this native like drafts. I don't know how to call it. Akwe. But akwe we call it in Benin. But in English, I don't know how to call it because English is dynamic. So they used to play that thing. So one day they all sat. They were playing that thing. And when they were playing it, somehow he threw his own, and his own came out defeated.
Correction there.
Yes.
The young man was not talking, he was dumb as a matter of fact.
Yes.
When the Benin saw it that the young man is grown enough to talk and he couldn't talk, they sent message to our father here.
Yeah,
who told the messenger that okay, since he's the one who gave them the apple.
Yeah.
We were playing it in Benin, but he gave one particular man, said go and give it to the young man you are talking about. If he told it, he will talk. By the time they said the apple, even the lady that he gave birth, that gave birth, is a daughter to what's the name who say Enogego. He's the one that gave birth to that child. So after coming back home, they said the same apple again. They gave the one they brought from here. They gave it to him.
They gave to him.
When he throw it, he goes straight to go and because when you set it, you will say this is the king here. Then you will set it. You will set another one. That is the king there. One. That one will be left alone. He throw his own. He go and hit the king there. He said, "Oh, what Mika?"
Yeah. That means Oh, what Mika? That means I am taking charge, and that is what started. He gave birth to the first son, and that is what started the dynasty, the Oba dynasty that we still have in Benin today. And Owomika became Eweka. The English corrupted it to Eweka the first. So when Ovorame was taken to Calabar, and with all the fracas and everything and so on, his first son now was taken to be the next king. And he felt that he should continue in the same dynasty, and he gave himself the title, or rather the oracle gave him the title Eweka II. And Eweka II is the father of Oba Akenzua, and then Oba Akenzua is the father of Ediawa, and Ediawa is the father of the present Eware Ogidiga II. So I just wanted to throw that, sir. So the thing is, Ife has always been synonymous with Benin. And as far as I'm concerned, I don't care the propaganda, internet, whatever anybody is saying. We know our history. And as far as we are concerned, when I was coming here, I knew I was coming to meet my father.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As I've watched that video, to the truth had to be said. A lot of Benin need to also know some of these things, because most of them, if you see them doing argument, you'll be surprised of where the argument is coming from. Like the way now most people will come, they will say that that some Igbos will go and say their ancestors are from Benin. How come your ancestors are from Benin? Some Igbos. So just like the ways the Benin will say they are from Yoruba, Yoruba will say they are from Benin. So all those things is something that they have to learn as well and know where they come from, because this is the highest thing the white people, with the help of the Northerners, did to Nigeria as a whole. Because if they did not impose all this nonsense, SARS, Northwest, this SARS, all those things. Divide brothers, make them know their history. We are not going to be where we are today. But however, mistakes have been made. Left for us to correct it as a people. So I want you to share this video and follow this channel for more updates. Drop your own opinion if you know more better than us. Thank you.